Hello, welcome. This is Birdy. Welcome to a new lesson on Houdini. Today we will continue our new series, Explosion in Houdini. Today we will import the simulation fields from the simulation to the sub level. So let's continue now, guys. Now we have the simulation. Now we want to import the fields into a new sub node and then prepare it to render and give it the pyro material shader. Okay, hold escape for now. Let's go back. Now let's make a new geometry. Now let's explore dimension render. Let's get inside here. Let's type the import fields. Check the simulation. As I said, we can do it like this. Okay, so let's choose pyro. I don't need a color. I don't need the fuel. I need the heat temperature receipt. Velocity. Okay. Oh, I need all this. Let's see what we have so far. Maybe we can decrease or reduce the number of the voxel for the velocity because it's not important, and maybe we need the half of it, same as the receipt. As you can see, it's a receipt. So first we have to let's make a split. We can make it other way, or split or blast. Say h name equal vel. So here we will have the velocity, I think. If we stand here, yeah, and the other one will have the other field, as we said. Let's here, I think its name was attribute sample. Let me, yeah, it's volume resample. Reduce it by 0.5. So if we check it now, yes, we'll have half we had before. You see this? This is a big number, not half, even less, much less than the half. Right. Like this number. Merge back again. Connect both of this here. Let's file cache. Let's make the file cache. Let's name it pyro explosion. Of course, we have to save the file in. We have to save the file in a project. So let's make a new project. We should do this at the beginning. Or we can only save it in a recent folder. But let's make a new one. Let's make this explosion, pyro, English. Yeah. English. So, let's save the file. Save it. Let's name it explosion. English. Now when we save the file cache, it will save the caching inside the folder that we did. Shit. Totally forget this one. I will check the sound later. Let's make a null. Let's name this pyro out pyro out render. Okay. And that was it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, please type it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like our video and share it with your friends. Also, if you'd like to support us, you will find below the video a link on Patreon and Gumroad, and we appreciate your support. And I see you in the next lesson. Have a good day.